Hi guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to stabilize your videos using Mocha AE. Let's begin. For example, I'm going to stabilize and lock on the wheel, so in Mocha I will select an ellipse tool and create a circle mask on the wheel. Now enable perspective and click on tracking button. Once tracking is done, click on save and close Mocha. Now expand tracking data and click on create track data, then check invert and change export option to transform. Now change layer export to the clip you are stabilizing and then click on apply export. Stabilization is done, but if you play the video you will see it's all messed up and the fix is the easy thing to do as well. On your layer, press S, then hold shift and press R to expand scale and rotation. Now simply remove those created rotation and scale keyframes by clicking on stopwatch icons. Now right click and select reset to reset the values. Let's check the video one more time. And as you can see it's all smooth and stabilized, but it still needs a slight retouch, and first thing we are going to fix are those black edges, and then I will center the wheel. Let's pre-compose the clip, make sure move all attributes and adjust composition duration is selected and then hit OK. Now enable proportional grid from here, it will help us to find the very center of the screen. Before we center the clip, let's fix the edges. Press S on a keyboard and scale the video until you don't see the blacks. Now drag your clip and center it. Let's quickly check it. The video is all stabilized, but it has slight jitters. To get rid of them, click Warp Stabilizer here. Now expand Advanced and check Detailed Analysis and uncheck Fast Analysis, then change Smoothness to 1% and let's wait until analyzing is done. Once it's finished, we can check the video one more time. Nice, I like it, it's so smooth and stabilized. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching and like the video please.